In our last foundation guide, we covered the 3 golden rules that every builder must know: elevate, support, and anchor. Following those rules will give you a solid, durable container home. But what separates a good foundation from a great one? What are the advanced secrets that professional engineers use to ensure a structure lasts not just for a decade, but for a lifetime? Today, we're going beyond the basics. We're revealing the 2 advanced foundation secrets that most amateurs completely ignore. The secrets that are the true difference between a solid house and an indestructible fortress. The first hidden enemy isn't the ground sinking, it's the house twisting. A shipping container is a long, rectangular box, and over time, it's subjected to uneven forces. Wind pushing harder on one side, snow piling up unevenly on the roof, or even the ground settling just a fraction of an inch more under one corner. These unbalanced loads create a powerful twisting force called torsion. Imagine holding a long cardboard box by its ends and gently twisting it. That's what's happening to your house in super slow motion. This imperceptible twist is what causes doors to stick, windows to become misaligned, and cracks to appear in your interior finishes years down the line. So how do you fight an invisible twisting force? You build an anti-twist skeleton. This is the first secret of the pros: mastering the art of bracing. Bracing is the strategic addition of supports that lock the container's rectangular shape in place and fight against torsional forces. This can be done by welding diagonal steel supports, cross-bracing, or by installing strategically placed shear walls, solid reinforced interior walls made of thick plywood or steel. These elements act like the unbendable spine of your home, ensuring that the box remains perfectly square and rigid no matter what uneven forces it faces over the decades. The second secret lies in understanding a deceptive truth. A perfectly level foundation today does not guarantee a perfectly level house tomorrow. The ground beneath your home is a living thing. Clay soils will swell with moisture and shrink when dry. Sandy soils can slowly compact and settle over time. And in cold climates, the freeze-thaw cycle of the ground causes it to heave upwards with incredible force. Even if your concrete piers are perfectly level at the start, these powerful natural forces can cause one pier to sink half an inch or another to be pushed up, creating the exact uneven loads that lead to the twisting we just talked about. The professional secret to defeating the deceptive ground is simple. Go deeper than you think. You need to anchor your foundation to stable, undisturbed earth. This is the power of footings. A footing is a wider, often deeper base of concrete that sits underneath each of your foundation piers. In cold climates, this means digging deep enough to place the bottom of the footing below the frost line, the depth to which the ground freezes. In soft or sandy soils, it means creating a wide footing to spread the load over a larger area, like a snowshoe. This deep, solid anchor is what ensures your foundation piers will never heave or settle, providing a truly permanent and immovable base for the life of your home. In the end, the difference between a good build and a professional one is in mastering these hidden forces. The amateur builds a level foundation on the surface. The pro goes deeper, using footings to conquer the unstable ground below. The amateur builds a strong box. The pro builds an anti-twist skeleton inside that box, using bracing to fight the invisible force of torsion. These 2 advanced secrets, deep footings and smart bracing, are what elevate a project.
They are the final steps that ensure your container home isn't just well built for today, but is engineered like a fortress, ready to stand perfectly square and stable for a lifetime. If these two advanced secrets have given you a new level of professional knowledge, show your support with a like and subscribe for more deep dives from the Builder's Rulebook. For the professional blueprints, books, and tools we trust for every build, you can find our curated lists by pointing your phone's camera at the QR code on the screen now or by using the link in the description. Now, let's hear from you. We've gone deep on the foundation, but what about the floor that sits on top of it? Let us know in the comments if you want to see our next guide, the one beam support rule that stops your container floor from sagging and bouncing.